Ekurhuleni District Deputy Commissioner Brigadier Lebogang Machakela led Operation Shanela in Zonke Izizwe. The operation is aimed at stamping the authority of the state and help the local police station reduce crime in the area. This operation took place on the 3rd of April 2025. We as Culturous Media, we were there and captured the moment. We also spoke to the Brigadier about crime challenges facing the area. Please enjoy our videos. Take care.
Check out check driver's license, see confirm masiqeda check imoto ukuthi mhlawumbe kuna mixing ine ID ukuthi kumele ngichekeni ngaphambili zokuvulela check my right zoba right check mangasemuva khona into ofuna ukudeclare into efana nebhamu ama-drugs and ngakho siqale nge-license ke okay license yakho valid nice That's where the VIN number is, and then on the door there's a black tag.
Okay.
In one of the doors. Yeah, there it is. See that black tag? This is how you check Uti it's stolen. Eh? This thing, if you check it, if we are quite good to suge yok, then it's a fake one. Now it must break into smaller pieces. Yeah. So when it breaks, I saw. But the fake one, how you saw the original one, it must break. It must break into pieces. That's how you. Yeah. And then you check the numbers. These numbers here must correspond to the ones that are on the siyabonga kakhulu ngithi Basta. Angger wala kayo niya ano saka.
Kumele yun. Yung motoro le. Motoro. Ayinanshile mona. Ayikho yini. Ifinjini la. Ilenzini. Ingini, ilele. Fancy food all the way. Fancy to the way. Oh. Say Shahid. Hi boy. When uyimi mo, mina uwe mina mfana omsebenzi. Konje yini? Yabona kahle. Yes.
JXC 577 ekhaya Papa. Item 5.
JXC
577.
577. Impumalanga ngiyathanda lapho 5 ne?
577.
34. 534.
Urire. Akawashi.
Inkosi.
Uye vele. Wala lezi moto wasasa.
No, beyimila nje.
Beyimile Nkosi. Bantu ikhiphela ukhapha.
Nkosi ubuya phi ekhaya?
Ukhapha phansi.
Tsatsamoshe bakamboli.
Aw.
Makaye lapha
Empumalanga.
lephansi emnyama.
Kula ngaba.
440 3409.
Yeah. Sabe nishayile.
Ibizwa bhuti wam le nto lo eyithelayo lapho ukusheka layo.
Asitho. Oh.
Yokwenzani?
isusa le pencil ukuthi i-TV number or engine number ibonakale kahle.
Good morning once more. I'm Brigadier Lebohang Machakela. Flanked next to me is the station commander of Zonke Zizwe, Colonel Haramse, senior managers Brigadier Tete, Brigadier Shezi and Brigadier Butelezi. Today we are paying another installment of Operation Shanela in the Zonke Zizwe area. The operation actually started yesterday with the detectives doing the tracing of wanted suspects, whereby they have traced 119 suspects in total that were arrested yesterday because they are wanted for various crimes. Amongst those for today in this operation, we have already arrested 9 illegal immigrants, which are people that are undocumented in the country. And so far we've got 1 person that is arrested for dealing in drugs, 1 for possession of drugs, and we have searched 233 people in this roadblock as we are here, and we have also searched 190 vehicles. The operation is continuing. From here we'll be going to other groups, whereby we'll be checking the spaza shops, the drug group, as well as making sure that the whole place is saturated to make sure that we prevent crime within the Zonke Zizwe area. Thank you.
Sir, can I ask you about the taxi rank? Did you go to the taxi rank by any chance yesterday or today? Because according to my understanding, there have been various issues and challenges regarding the Zonke Zizwe taxi rank.
Yes, the taxi rank will be also visited. During the briefing, it was indicated that there is a constant, taxi violence that is happening there as a result of the violence between the taxi associations. We are aware of it, and we are both deploying ourselves, our taxi task team from the district level, as well as the EMPD taxi task team groups are patrolling that area to make sure that we can deal with it. But it will be part of our areas where we'll pass by just to make sure that we see what is happening and make sure that crime is prevented within that space.
And my other question is Zonke Zizwe police station. 2 weeks back I was here. I heard, or I spoke to some community members who were telling me that they were experiencing some challenges regarding Zonke Zizwe police station in terms of police cars being not available, and at times when community members come to report, they are told they are short of staff. Many challenges, even some other times when they bring the suspect or the alleged culprits who have committed crime, always those guys, even if they were caught red-handed, they always come back to the community on the same day. I don't know if there's a problem of understanding between a working relationship between the community and the police. How's the status between the community and the police?
Look, in terms of the issues of the police station, as I'm standing here today, we have appointed a new station commander at the place. That is Colonel Haramse. This is his, today is the 3rd. It's the 3rd or the 4th today?
It's the 3rd.
It's the 3rd. This is his 3rd day in the post. So he's been appointed, he has started here. That is why I'm standing next to him. The issue of the police station is all about command and control. If you have a proper management, there is no station in Ekurhuleni that have sufficient both manpower as well as vehicles. But we must manage with what we have. It is all about command and control, how we use our people. So we believe that we have appointed a competent person who will be able to manage those things and make sure that the station is properly managed and deal with everything that is a problem within the station, including how the suspects are detained, how the response vehicles are responding to complaints. We believe that he's there, and then he has already been briefed to make sure that he hits the ground running, to make sure that the station is properly managed and there can be changes. That is the reason why today we have even brought an operation. On his third day, we are already here. We are coming to show him that this is how it should be done and this is what we want. High visibility within the area, and he must make sure that his members are on the ground and they can deal with the issues of crime within the area.
Last is your message to the community who's slowly seems to be losing trust to the police. What's your message to them, especially the community of Katoras?
My message is very simple. Please, communities, cooperate with management. This is the management of the station that are standing next to me. If you have a challenge as a community member, the office of the station commander is always open. Next to me, he's from Springs, he's from Phosphorus, he's from Germiston. So the offices of the station commanders are open. Communities, if they are struggling within the SCS and anywhere else where there is problems, if they can't get it right, talk to the station commanders, have the numbers of the station commanders. Today, in Zonke-Sizwe, we are going to be giving the communities of Zonke-Sizwe the number of the station commander. If there's a problem, they are welcome to phone him and say there's a problem like this, and he must wake up, go sort out that problem and make sure that it's addressed with immediate effect.
Thank you very much.